Phonics story. B, b, b. Benny is a big brown bear. Benny plays with his blue ball. Benny sees a beehive. A beautiful butterfly is flying above. Benny jumps and says, "Ba, ba, ba." The butterfly sits on Benny's nose. Benny blows away the butterfly. Benny says, "Bye bye, butterfly."